Hellcat.
Hello my beautiful people, una welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today na the first time wey you watch my video, you are most definitely welcome. I beg make una go subscribe to Culture News TV. My name na Favor, wey dey always talk for Culture News TV. If you dey watch my video and you never subscribe, I beg do go subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, God bless you. For here una go see all the celebrity gist wetin dey happen for Europe, Nigeria and all places. I dey always carry am come here dey discuss with una, make una know wetin dey happen around us. So today now na another gist again I bring come meet una. This couple wey sell their baby for 300k na the amount I carry come today. So my people, make we talk am. So my people, I go before I start, I go narrate how it happen, and I go also put the video make una watch am. So this this woman una dey see for here, her name na Blessing. We're married to one man wey they call Joshua, na the man be this. So this Blessing, so they get 3 children. Yeah, and this Joshua get 3 children, but the man not dey work, they dey Edo State for there. So from that place now the woman can say, since the man not dey work, the man not get money, make he go still visit the family for Lagos. From there now she can't take comot go Lagos, and she discover say she get belle, but she not tell her husband before she go. Now she can't take go Lagos, go meet her family. From there you can't still find some more work, they work for there. So as she did there now, she can't discover say the belle don dey big. You need to go tell her husband. Now you take come back to Benin, come tell her husband say, see wetin dey happen o, I get belle. The man come say no, you need to abort the pikin because not be him give am the belle. Say na Lagos where she go, now she go do her shower work, take carry belle, say he must abort the baby. So from there now the woman, this Blessing, so go meet Felicia. This woman wanna dey see for years, so say see wetin dey happen for her house. Say she get belle, say, and her husband say he no go accept the pikin, say no be give am the belle. So from there now the Felicia, he can't go meet her, say me give am small money to abort the pikin. Felicia say he no get to give person to abort pikin, no get money to take abort pikin. From there he can't take care of the woman, say make the woman born the pikin, make she take care of am. So from there the woman come born the pikin. That same day we born the pikin, so he can't give them 300k to buy the pikin. She can't carry the pikin. So when they pay the money, now he can't tell the woman make he pay the money give her husband. Say because now the husband be the man of the house. So after they don't reach house, he can't tell your husband, say, okay, from inside that 300k, find me small thing and take start business. So your husband can't tell her, say, okay, no problem. He can't give her 25k. Due to what your husband talk, he said the remaining money they be one and carry house. So from there, he can't give her 25k, say me take start business. So your wife can say the 25k too small, you need to put money join us. Out of 300k, I go give her 25k. From there, argument can come. Your wife can go report, give police. And matter say cast. They can't say arrest their 3. So this year they read this news because of those people will be say they not go fit work, they not go fit do anything to take care of their family. They depend on one thing or the other. And one thing too, na man, you supposed to trust your wife. Woman, you supposed to trust your husband no matter what. So guys, for those of una who never watch this video, make una watch am, and make una not forget to leave una comments wetin una think, whether wetin this couple do good or wetin the buyer do good. So I want see una comment.
The mother of the baby, Blessing Ogeva, now in police net, was said to have traveled to Lagos after a disagreement with her husband, Joshua Iworo. While in Lagos State, the said Blessing Ogeva called and announced to her husband that she is pregnant. The man, who was furious, rejected the pregnancy, and the woman, upon her return from Lagos, approached one Felicia Imagwawanwo, who promised to take care of the pregnancy and buy the baby after delivery. The idea to sell the baby was brought to the knowledge of the supposed father, who then gave his consent. The woman gave birth in one of the clinics in Upper Sakuba Road in Benin City, and the baby boy was bought same day for the sum of 300,000 naira. The said 300,000 naira was handed over to the man, Joshua Iworo, but trouble started when the mother of the baby requested for a part of the money to start a business. The man was then able to produce 28,000 naira out of the initial 300,000 naira. The woman consequently reported her husband to the police. Upon an extensive investigation by men of the Anti-Human Trafficking of the Edo State Police Command, The baby was rescued and retrieved from the buyer. The police then arrested the couple and the buyer of the baby. They narrate their level of involvement.
Your name?
My name is Kalisha.
Kalisha. What happened?
I'm just the helper today.
Helper as in how?
You get this girl, you get play.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
You say you don't know give am belle.
Yes.
Say this man.
Look here,
This man say go Lagos. Say go do prostitution. He don't know give am belle. So this man come dey beat am. Say make carry the baby come off for her. Say na Lagos time for bring the belle. So this girl come say she want go abort the belle. Now we say no. Say she not go fit abort the belle. I not get money wey dem say they abort belle. We not get money. So at the end of the day, this man come see the beat am. Make carry the baby to
Who be this man?
for us.
Who will be? Who are you in this matter?
She's my wife.
Is your wife? Okay.
So I can't advise her. Say no, it's not right to abort the baby. Now I come ask am say, you not get sister wey go assist you. He say no, say call his sister. His sister say make go drink snapper. May he die with the baby. Now say no, it can't possible.
So what you can advise?
So I can't dey take care of her. They take care of her. I can't still carry and go church for prayer. After I don born, for that hospital, I come tell am say take the baby. Say no, say no, carry am, say carry, say no. So now so okay. After the come give am 300,000 because he make me start up wetin go do.
So you collect the baby from her?
I come collect the baby from her. So even after I collect, I still dey come.
Where you can't carry the baby go?
I carry am go house.
So where police will catch you? How this matter can't reach police hand?
So as the matter can't reach police hand, he said the 300,000 wey me give am, make take start up business. Say.
Oh, when you take by the baby now, so police talk now.
Wey man no come give am again.
Who you give the money to?
I give am. Come, I give am to the man.
They confuse us. That 300,000.
Yeah.
Who you give her to before they give you the baby?
Okay, who I give the money to?
Yes.
I say may I give her. I say no, may I give the husband. Now the man I give am give the money.
Okay, go on.
The man now.
What can happen now?
He said this man only want shop the money. The pikin wey say no be you, wey carry come for Lagos. After the money don't come now, this man.
So who can go report for police now?
So I don't know who go report to police. I don't know who go report. Let's you give her.
Just go straight to. You said the baby. For how much? 300,000. What did I agree?
We agree say she'll take care of the baby. Then she'll give me money to start up the business after the delivery.
Okay. Then what you can resort to police matter now? Higher police can't enter matter.
After the money don't finish, we don't use money finish.
Who use the money?
My husband.
Okay.
So because of saying now, me want to start business now. Money wey dey pay me my start business. I not see when me for work on start. So I can't go. The matter can't cost story that day.
Between you and your husband. You marry you officially, pay your dowry.
No.
You can just leave.
Yes.
But now really give you that belly.
Yes.
You say not being now.
Nine.
Then what you can cause argument for that?
I get 3 children before this belly where
you first get 3 children for the man.
Yes.
And the children dead right now.
Yes.
What you can cause the argument now?
So the argument be say, it's after everything, my friend gather body, say go give me money, my say start the business. But then
no, what you can cause the argument when you can't toss not being get that baby?
Okay, he say because I go Lagos, no go get my brother.
How long you spend for Lagos?
About close to 2 months.
You know, that time the belly enter.
I don't really get the belly before I go. Now that's why I call and say I get belly. Because I say my no carry am phone. So at the end of the day I come back. So when I call, I say I don't feel carry the belly for years. See my
now that can cause the argument.
Yes.
So now when this woman come buy the baby for 300,000, what do you can resort to police now?
After the issue of worry of money, not be money, then I can't go tell my son sister. I can't say we need to involve police when they settle the issue of baby, not be baby. Say she don't understand
the matter.
Okay.
Now so now tell you police station. Huh? So where the baby now?
The baby there.
Now not do naming ceremony.
No.
Okay, as you just born, how old the baby there before you give the woman?
A day old. That is that baby day.
Okay, you only born and when the woman carry him.
Yes.
What's your name?
I'm Charles Iwo.
Huh?
Charles Iwo.
Charles Iwo. What's your happen? Talk now.
He said last year. Then my woman, I have a store that they're giving me. I did for her.
You pay a dowry.
No, for a battle.
But now they live together with 3 children. So what now happened to this 4th one where you consider not be you get her pregnant?
After about a month later, she now called me. I was in my brother's house. She now called me that where am I? I said I'm in my brother's house. Where are you now? He said she's in Lagos. What are you doing in Lagos? He said she's working. Where are you working? He said she's working at a provision store. About a month and 1 week. And I called her again. I was calling the number. She never used to go. There's a day I was at home. I'm in the kitchen. There is a number that called. The woman that called. There are now people home. Who is this? The woman said that the couple home.
Okay, go straight to the money. How much got to you from the sale of the baby?
And both of us went to bank and dropped 200,000 naira.
I mean, you agreed that you should sell the baby. That's how the money came.
We didn't agree on selling it.
So why were you now using the money that came?
Then the money, we now dropped 200,000 at the bank, First Bank, before then we now go with 100,000 at home. Then getting to the station, we now buy something of 30,000 to home. Good stuff and other things.
But now she said you didn't share part of the money for her.
No, it's not because of that.
So where's the money now? Do you still have it now?
No, the money that remaining, the remaining balance money was the one we took to home was 70,000 naira. He said 100,000. Then after that, the father now died. Okay. Then she now called me that his father is dead. Then his sister now called me, the mother's sister.
I mean, you use part of the money for burial. Everything is finished.
So after that, we balanced 200,000 at the bank. The 40,000 balance. He said something, and I give her everything, then and I took 10,000 naira.
So how much is left now, as at now?
Now it's 29,000 naira remaining.